Comparaison avec d'autres claviers MIDI populaires. Avant de conclure, Illinois est important de comparer l'Akai MPK Mini Mk3 avec d'autres claviers MIDI populaires, afin que vous puissiez faire un choix éclair. Akai MPK Mini Mk3 versus Audio Keystation 49.3 Malawian Kwaches. Le Audio Keystation 49.3 Malawian Kwaches est un autre excellent choix pour les producteurs, surtout pour ceux qui cherchent un clavier à plus de touches. Le Keystation 49 offre 49 touches de taille standard, ce qui est idéal si vous avez besoin de plus de portée pour jouer de mélodies complexes ou de accords. Cependant, Illinois est plus grand, ce qui le rend moins portatif que l'Akai MPK Mini Mk3. De plus, bien que le Keystation 49 offre une bonne compatibilité avec les DAWs, Illinois n'y dispose pas de pads de batterie ou de controls assignables qu'elle en trouve sur le MPK Mini Mk3, de caractéristiques cruciales pour les beatmakers et les producteurs de musique électronique. Akai MPK Mini Mk3 versus Novation Launch Key Mini Mk3. Le Novation Launch Key Mini Mk3 est un autre clavier compact que se mesure bien contre le Akai MPK Mini Mk3, mais il se distingue par son intégration passée avec Ableton Live. Si vous êtes un utilisateur Ableton assidu, le Launch Key Mini pourrait être légèrement plus adapté, grâce à son mode spécifique pour Ableton Live. Cependant, le MPK Mini Mk3 reste un excellent choix si vous recherchez un clavier plus universal, avec une connectivité améliorée, comme la prise en charge de FL Studio et Logic Pro X, et de pads de batterie plus réactifs. En termes de prix, ils sont assez similaires, mais l'Akai offre une meilleure expérience pour ceux qui cherchent à manipuler à la fois de mélodies et de battements. Akai MPK Mini Mk3 versus Arturia Minilab Mk3. Un autre concurrent direct du Akai MPK Mini Mk3 est l'Arturia Minilab Mk3. L'Arturia se distingue par ses touches de qualité supérieure, particulièrement appréciés par ceux qui viennent d'un contexte de piano et recherchant une réponse tactile plus précise. Cependant, le MPK Mini Mk3 reste l'un des choix les plus populaires pour les producteurs de musique électronique grâce à ses pads sensibles à la vélocité, son thumbstick for directions et sa compatibilité d'attendu. Le Minilab Mk3 est plus adapté aux producteurs qui priorisent la qualité de touches et la modélisation analogique, mais le MPK Mini Mk3 excelle par sa polyvalence et ses outils de création inclus dans le bundle. Final thoughts, an investment you won't regret. If you're a producer looking to take your music production to the next level without emptying your wallet, the Akai MPK Mini Mk3 is the MIDI keyboard you need. Its price-to-quality ratio is unmatched, and it's a tool that will serve you well for years to come. Whether you're creating beats, composing melodies, or experimenting with sound design, the MPK Mini Mk3 offers a robust, reliable solution for producers of all levels. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and tricks to elevate your music production game. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Akai MPK Mini Mk3. How do you use it in your production workflow? Drop a comment below. Top pick for best price to quality ratio, the Akai MPK Mini Mk3. Now that we've covered what makes a great MIDI keyboard, let's get into why the Akai MPK Mini Mk3 is one of the best investments you can make in 2024 for both value and performance. Price: affordable yet packed with features. The Akai MPK Mini Mk3 is one of the best-priced MIDI keyboards on the market today. For just $120 to $130, you're getting a high-quality controller that punches way above its weight. This price point makes it accessible for beginners who need an entry-level controller, while still offering features that experienced producers will appreciate. Build quality: compact but built to last. Despite its small size, the MPK Mini Mk3 is surprisingly solid and durable. The keys are responsive and comfortable to play, and the pads are incredibly sensitive, perfect for triggering beats or samples in real time. Whether you're working in your home studio or on the road, The build quality ensures that this keyboard can handle the demands of daily production. Features: a MIDI controller loaded with functionality. The MPK Mini Mk3 is loaded with pro-level features that make it a standout in its price range. You get 8 backlit drum pads for triggering sounds, perfect for beatmakers and live performances. A 4-way thumbstick for pitch and modulation control, which is a great addition for live performances or studio work. 8 assignable knobs that allow for easy manipulation of your software's parameters, volume, filters, effects, etc. MPC Beat software, a powerful, free DAW, and Waves audio plugins included, adding immediate value to your purchase. No other keyboard in this price range offers such a comprehensive set of features for both production and performance. Portability, small size, big potential. One of the standout features of the MPK Mini Mk3 is its portability. The compact design allows you to easily pack it in a backpack and take it anywhere, whether you're heading to a coffee shop for inspiration or traveling for a live performance. Despite its small footprint, it doesn't sacrifice any of the essential features that producers need. Software integration, ready to go with your favorite DAWs. The MPK Mini Mk3 is designed to work seamlessly with major DAWs like Ableton Live, Logic Pro X, FL Studio, and more. The included software also ensures you have everything you need to start producing right out of the box. With the Akai MPC Beats software and Waves plugins, you'll have access to a range of virtual instruments and effects that will enhance your sound design capabilities. Why choose the Akai MPK Mini Mk3? So why is the Akai MPK Mini Mk3 my top pick for 2024? It's because it strikes the perfect balance between affordability, quality, and versatility. For producers just starting out, it provides all the essential features to get your music production off the ground. But for seasoned pros, its build quality and advanced features make it a reliable option for live performances, songwriting, and sound design. While other keyboards, like the M-Audio KeyStation 49.3 Malawi Kwachas or the Novation Launch Key Mini, also offer good value, the Akai MPK Mini Mk3 delivers the best combination of price, performance, and portability that truly sets it apart from the competition. Hello and welcome, fellow musicians, producers, and electronic music enthusiasts. If you found yourself here, you're probably in the market for a MIDI keyboard that delivers exceptional value and high performance without draining your wallet. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey into music production, finding the right MIDI keyboard can make all the difference in your creative process. The Akai MPK Mini Mk3 could be the perfect solution for you, and today, I'm going to explain why it's the best MIDI controller in 2024 for value and performance. Why the right MIDI keyboard is crucial for your workflow. Before we dive into why the Akai MPK Mini Mk3 is a standout product, let's first understand why a MIDI keyboard is such a vital tool in the studio and beyond. As a music producer, your MIDI keyboard is your primary interface with the music you create. It's the bridge between your ideas and your DAW, digital audio workstation, and it enables you to craft everything from piano melodies to electronic beats and even full orchestral compositions. But with so many options flooding the market, how do you choose a keyboard that won't just work, but elevate your workflow? Here are the key aspects that make a MIDI keyboard truly worth the investment. What makes a MIDI keyboard worth the investment? Build quality. When you're investing in a MIDI controller, durability and build quality should be top of mind. You need a keyboard that can withstand hours of playing, traveling, and constant handling without breaking down or losing responsiveness. A keyboard built to last will give you peace of mind that your creative tool will keep working as hard as you do. Key action and feel. The key action is critical. Whether you're playing intricate melodies, creating drum patterns, or adjusting parameters, the keyboard must respond to your touch. Velocity-sensitive keys are essential, as they provide dynamic expression when playing. A great key action will give you the freedom to play expressive, nuanced melodies or create tight, punchy beats with ease. Connectivity options. Your MIDI controller needs to integrate seamlessly into your studio setup, so connectivity is a big factor. A modern MIDI keyboard should have plug-and-play capabilities, offering USB or Bluetooth connections, and be compatible with most DAWs. The faster you can get your keyboard connected and working, the more time you can spend being creative. Software integration. Having a MIDI keyboard that works flawlessly with the software you use is key. Some keyboards come bundled with DAWs, virtual instruments, or sample libraries. These additions can greatly expand your creative possibilities. Imagine getting a complete production suite with a keyboard that works out of the box, saving you time and money. Portability. If you're a mobile producer or frequently travel between studios, portability matters. A MIDI keyboard that's easy to take with you means you won't have to leave your creativity behind. Whether it's a compact size, lightweight design, or easy-to-carry features, portability is a game changer for producers who are always on the move.